So we made it to the Bay of LA. This is the area we're going to be in for the rest of the summer, bouncing around between here and some of the islands. We were lucky and it got a little cooler the last week, and now it's hot today. Dreadfully hot. Who needs a shower when you're wet everywhere? My ears are sweating. It's okay though. I like it. It'll be fine. We're gonna go get some provisions.
On our way, we walk by the Cultural and Natural History Museum, where sculptures line the pathways reflecting the abundant species of wildlife and the rich mining history of the town.
I like how it says AC.
Pickles!
Learned a while ago in the pause, you gotta be careful where you step. You gotta walk looking down, because every now and then there's just holes in the sidewalk.
The quiet town of Bahia de Los Angeles is a sport fishing destination for locals and foreigners. With a number of rustic camping and hotel options and guides to take you all the best spots. It is one of the few places in the world where whale shark are present, bringing people in with the hope to swim with the largest fish in the sea. Passing remnants of whale bones and rustic equipment, we return back to the beach. Enjoy a quiet lunch looking out at the bay. We are in our summer spot. We made it to our home base. As the breeze begins to fill in, we find it's time to pack up and head out to find adventure exploring the surrounding islands. First stop, Isla La Ventana.
We've been here a couple days. It's nice to calm out right now. We decided we probably ought to do a little snorkeling, check this place out a little bit, potentially do some spear fishing if we see anything in the water worth attempting to shoot at. It's always nice to have fresh fish.
All right, well, let's jump in.
What's happening right now?
We're gonna swim in bioluminescence with really big fish. I'm petrified right now. So if somebody asked me if I've ever been terrified, this would be the moment.
We are in Ventana Bay, just by the Bay of LA, and there is a bioluminescent bay here that is just amazing right now. It is dark outside, it's a new moon. We're gonna go for a little skinny dip, a little swim around the boat. Jessica is not happy about this right now. I may be sleeping outside the rest of the strip. She won't even look at me. How was it?
I survived.
What did you just survive?
Swimming around the boat in the dark with a million fish that I can't see. Or they turn into sparklies, fairy dust trails. It's amazing. It's beautiful. Holy crap. This is my weakness, water. Oh, it's stupid, but it is.
Well, we survived one lap around the boat. One lap. In the dark, with bioluminescence everywhere. It's way cool. And I'm really sorry we don't know how to record it. We tried every camera we have, and I just cannot seem to capture it on video. It is just something you're gonna have to do one time in life, is swim around in the middle of the night in the ocean with bioluminescence. It's one of the coolest things ever. At least I think it's one of the coolest things ever. I'm not sure if Jessica does.
It's cool. You got to do it once. If you're scared of water, it might be a little hard.
You were in tears.
Oh, come on. Don't tell everybody that.
You were in tears getting down the ladder, but you did it.
My heart rate was like 200 too. I did it. Pretty pitiful, but I did it.
I mean, you basically clung onto my back and I doggy paddled around the boat with you.
Thank you.
You want to go for lap 2?
I don't know. Oh, it is so magical, though.
I'm afraid lap 2 is not going to happen. But maybe next time we'll get more than one lap around the boat. Maybe next time I'll be able to swim without someone trying to drown me, hanging on my back.
I didn't try to drown you.
But it is really cool to see.
It was really cool. Even if I was having a panic attack. There's some big fish down there.
The good news is you can see them coming because they glow.
I didn't like that. There's like these massive fish.
If it was a shark, you'd see it coming.
I don't know if I want to see it coming. Any of it. Whew, well, there's something I gotta work on.
We are on Isla La Ventana. La Ventana means window. There is an archway type rock on the south side of this island. We're pretty much on the northwest corner of it, so we thought we'd see if we can hike over to it.
Surprise. You see what I spy over there? Choya, did you bring your pliers? Step carefully.
Well, I think we've made it to the part of the trail that most people give up because the trail is gone. So we're now boondocking. There's supposed to be some sort of interactive trail here. We're gonna go check it out. Oh, and there's a cross way up there on the left. Way up there. Jessica found the trail, found the signs. We might have to go hike up to that cross now. We'll see how much ambition we have. What I can make of this sign, it's pretty wore out. It means there's lizards and rattlesnakes. So be careful.
Yeah. Serpentine.
Rattlesnakes.
Rattlesnake.
Doesn't matter what language is written in, a picture of a rattlesnake's a rattlesnake.
What? We are going practically straight down. Going to go try to find the windows. We don't know if they're down here or if they're that way. Let's go this way. What goes down has to come up though, right? Woo! Good thing I grew up in the Rocky Mountains. They're not here, are they? We need our compass with us. I think south is over there.
Well, before we hiked down the hill there, we sat on top for a minute and thought about it, looked up at the sun, you know, did our best Crocodile Dundee impression. That's south, not southeast. We gotta go southeast. But we still came down. It's not here. We have not gone east enough.
I bet you it's where the cross is. Clear over there.
I think we're gonna take a drink of water, rest for 1 second, and hike back up that hill. We're not quitters, man.
No.
Well, at least not yet.
It's hot though.
It's pretty warm, but at least there's a little breeze out. I think we're supposed to go this way. Whew. That was a steep mother of a hill. And we're out of shape. Holy cow. Of course, we waited till 3 o'clock in the afternoon to do this. It's probably 95 to 100 degrees. 60 to 70% humidity. It's hot. We're dying. The view's okay.
Whew. Oh God, it's hot. It's beautiful.
Well, we have spent the last 5 or 6 nights here in this little bay on La Ventana Island. It's been wonderful. We've had the place to ourselves. We've gone on a great little hike. Did some snorkeling, some spearfishing. It's been pretty good. But the time has come to move on. We got a little bit of wind today. Since we are engineless, we do need a little bit of wind. And more importantly, there is a birthday party tomorrow at this beach bar that we want to get to. So we're gonna pack up, prep the boat, and get out of here. Whew. We're really enjoying those paddleboard holders that we had built at Escondido. They've been really nice. Keeps them off the side deck. We can actually walk up to the front of our boat. So far, they've yet to be a problem. We've been in 25, 30 knot winds with them, and they just kind of stay there. We should be able to sail out, but just in case, we will have the dinghy ready to go to save our butts if things go bad. There are a couple rocks and some reefs, and we really would like to not hit them. It's supposed to be about 15 knots out there once we leave this little protected area. It should be kind of an upwind sail, I believe, to a place called Mona Beach. So I'm gonna put fuel in the dinghy to make sure it's got a full tank before we get out of here. It's easier to do it now than while we're out. I have nightmares of it running out of fuel at the wrong time, which is when it always runs out of fuel. I also like to start the motor, get it warmed up before we get out of here, make sure it's gonna run. Same thing I would do if our diesel was running or operational. Just give it a little warm up. Make sure she's peeing. It's looking pretty good. I think she's good to go.
Thanks for watching. Catch us next time for more sailing and adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Hasta luego.